Salam alaikum. Listen carefully of what I am going to tell you. Imagine you were born in 1900. When you were just 14 years old, the World War I begins and it ends when you are 18 with 22 million people dead. Soon after that, a global pandemic, the Spanish flu, appears, killing 50 million people. So consider you got through that as well, and now you are 20 years old. When you reach the age of 29 and it's 1929, you survive the global economic crisis that started with the New York Stock Exchange causing inflation, unemployment, famine. When you're 33 years old, the Nazis come to power. When you are 39, the World War II begins and ends when you are 44 years old, leaving with 60 million people dead. And in the Holocaust, 6 million Jews died. When you are 52, the Korean War begins. And when you are 64, the Vietnam War begins and ends when you are 75. I'm very sad to say that a child born in 1985 thinks his grandparents have no idea, no clue how difficult life is. But the truth is they have survived several wars and catastrophes. Today we have all the comforts in our new world in the middle of a new pandemic. But we complain because we need to wear a mask. We complain because we must stay confined to our homes where we have food, electricity, running water and even Wi-Fi. None of these existed back in the days, but humanity survived those circumstances and never lost their joy of living. A small change in our perspective can generate miracles. We should be thankful that we are alive, and we should do everything we need to do to protect and help each other. That's it for today. Until next time.